Freeze pane help you to keep an area of a worksheet visible while you scroll to another area of the worksheet. To freeze top row, go to View tab, in the Windows group, click arrow next to Freeze panes. Select Freeze top row. The faint line that appears between row 1 and 2 shows that the top row is frozen. Now if you scroll vertically to another area of the worksheet, the top row will remain visible. Let's try to freeze first column. On the View tab, in the Windows group, click arrow next to Freeze panes. Select Freeze first column. The faint line that appears between column A and B shows that the first column is frozen. Now if you scroll horizontally to another area of the worksheet, the first column will remain visible. To unfreeze panes, click arrow next to Freeze panes. Select Unfreeze panes. Let's try to freeze multiple rows and columns. Select the cell, below the rows, and to the right of the columns, you want to keep visible when you scroll. Click arrow next to Freeze panes. Select Freeze panes. The faint lines are showing frozen rows and columns. Now if you scroll vertically or horizontally to another area of the worksheet, the frozen rows and columns will remain visible.